Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Starlink payment failed issue. So if the Starlink payment isn't going through, just follow along. First, open the Starlink app and then sign into your account. Next, go to the billing or payment section and check for any payment alerts. After that, make sure your card information is correct, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You should also verify that your card has sufficient funds and hasn't expired. Next, contact your bank to make sure the transaction isn't being blocked for security reasons. Another fix is to remove your payment method and add it again. You can also try using a different debit or credit card if available. Make sure the billing address on your Starlink account matches the address associated with your card. And if you're using a VPN, turn it off before attempting the payment again. If the payment still fails, contact Starlink support through the app or website for further assistance. So those are the best ways to fix Starlink payment failed issues. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.